No matter how tiring your day is, never skip to remove your makeup before you sleep. This way it makes the pores clean and able to breathe during night. Hi guys, welcome to my channel Beauty Made Easy. In this video we are going to see how to use cleansing milk. So cleansing milk is a white substance which helps to remove makeup from your face. I am using the Ayur cleansing milk. Pour required amount of cleansing milk on your palm. Apply onto your face and massage for 30 seconds. After that, take some cotton and wipe your face. The makeup will now get transferred to the cotton. Apply the cleansing milk for the second time on your face. Go one more time on your face, eyes and lips and see if there is any makeup residue remaining. If the cotton comes off clean, then this is the time to wash your face. Yes, it is clean. My skin feels soft and moisturized. Now you can go and wash your face with your face wash. This is the consistency of the cleansing milk. It is not too thick and not too thin, which makes it perfect for all skin types. This is one of the simple ways that you can take off your makeup at night. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.